Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be like a mini try-on and a quick show and tell of the package that I got in the mail from Lit Cosmetics. As you guys know, if you've been here with me for any amount of time, then you know that Lit Cosmetics is my favorite glitter company. They just had a Labor Day sale where everything was 30% off. So I picked up some things and they sent me like a bunch of freebies with my order too. As far as the glitters go, I got them in the shades ABBA, both sizes 3 and 4, Boogie Wonderland in size 4, Champagne Wishes in both sizes 3 and 4, Diamond Girl in both sizes 3 and 4, Hawaii 5-0 in size 4, Northern Lights in size 4, Porcelain in size 4. I got Vanilla Ice in both 3 and 4, X-Ray in 4, Ziggy Stardust in 3, and Disco Dots in size 3. I got the Lit Metals in the shades Risque plus Gold and Escape plus Gold. They also sent me out their glitter adhesives. I got the Clearly Liquid Glitter Base, the Water Resistant Glitter Base, and the Forever Wear Glitter Base. Now, I know I've mentioned this before, but I'm just not a fan of the Clearly Liquid Glitter Base. For me, I find that it definitely creases in the eyelid. I get a lot of fallout from it. And I don't know, I've used an entire container of it. I've used it in a bunch of different ways. I've never tried the water resistant glitter base, so we'll see if that's any different. It definitely seems really liquidy the way that the original Clearly Liquid Glitter Base is. I am intrigued by the Forever Wear Glitter Base because this one almost looks more like an actual glue. So I think I'm actually going to go ahead and try this one out today. Now, again, if you've been here for any amount of time, you guys know that as far as glitter adhesives go, I prefer the NYX Glitter Base because that one I have a little bit more play time as it dries down. It doesn't dry down super quick, and once it does dry, it's flexible on the skin. So when you blink, it never actually creases or cracks in the crease of the eye, and you never have any glitter fallout from it. So I'm hoping that the Forever Wear Glitter Base is a little bit more similar to the NYX primer that I like so much. But again, it's trial and error. You know, if it doesn't work for me, maybe it'll work for somebody else. You know what I mean? And I can throw that in the giveaway pile. So I've already gone in with Ho by MAC, and I built up my crease and I blew out my transition. I smoked it into the lower lash line. So I already have that kind of mauve-y base laid down, and I want to use the Lit Metals in the shade Risque plus Gold because this is a little bit more of that mauve-y kind of tone. So I'm actually going to wet a brush with the Mario Badescu setting spray, and then I'm going to pack this color on that way first. And then if I feel like I need to go in with a glitter base on the lid, we can go ahead and do that. So I've gone ahead and wet my brush with some setting spray, and I'm going to dip right into the pigment off of a metallic palette. And then I'm gonna just kind of press that on to my lid. Now, with a brush that's been sprayed with a setting spray, it doesn't seem like it's very opaque when it lays down on the lid. It is pretty, but it doesn't seem to be very opaque. So this might actually work better over top of a glitter primer, which makes sense. It's a product sold by a glitter company, and there is glitter in it. I wonder if I pick it up with my finger. I mean, when I pick it up with my finger, it definitely seems to go on with a little bit more opacity, but there does seem to be a tiny bit of patchiness. But again, I feel like if I went in with a glitter primer and then laid this down, I would have much better luck with it. So this time I'm going to use the Forever Wear Glitter Base, and I'm just going to kind of put a little bit of that onto this double-ended brush from one of the Naked palettes. And then I'm going to go right into the dry powder and then press the pigment right over top of the primer. And I want to use some of their actual glitter too. So I'm going to go into the shade ABBA in size 4, which is the larger of the two. And I'm going to use the clearly liquid glitter base, and I'm going to lay that down on my eyelid with a fluffy brush and apply the glitter right over top of that. And since I want the inner corners to really pop, I'm going to use some disco dots on my inner corner, and I'm going to lay those down over top of some Duo lash adhesive, only because this is meant to keep fake eyelashes on, and these disco dots are so large and so like weighty as far as glitter goes. They're almost more of like a rhinestone than they are a glitter. And I actually use lit glitter in my manicures all the time, and last night I used the disco dots on a gel manicure, so I really like the way that this turned out. So I can't wait to actually use these on my face. So I'm gonna do one eye at a time, and I'm gonna lay down the lash adhesive first. So let me go ahead and get some mascara and highlighter on really quick, and we'll go ahead and wrap this up. Okay, lashes are good, highlighter's good. I probably added a few more of these disco dots. I'm fucking obsessed. I think these things are great. I love Lit Cosmetics. They have different sizes, different colors, different shapes. I mean, like, they've got a lot of really cool shit. And honestly, I know this is a super basic look, but I don't think you have to do a whole lot to make something really cool happen on your face. So yeah, leave me a comment, give this video a like if you liked it, hit the subscribe button and tell all your friends about it so they know to watch, and I'll see you guys on the next one.